I won't go so far as to say I save marriages, but if you're a guy of a certain age and you find yourself constantly being managed with your health, you know you've got blood sugar issues. Your numbers have been high for a while. Your doctor's on your case. Maybe your wife, your partner's on your case, always asking you, should you be eating that? What about your blood sugar? And you are tired of people telling you what to do with your health. I've got a great tip for you. Start using a continuous glucose monitor. We can get you one of these, a Freestyle Libre for it costs about $40 to get a sensor that lasts for 2 weeks. I like to use them for a month, maybe 3. And then when someone asks you, should you be eating that? You're like, thank you, I've got it under control. So you actually have some control. So what a CGM does for you is it helps you know what things affect your blood sugar, if it works, if it doesn't work. And then what we do, like when someone meets with me, we go through the data. I teach you how to use it and I teach you how to DIY it. I teach you how to fix it yourself. And then you've got all the control. You've got all the data. You can talk to your doctor and say, actually, I'd like to get off this medication. And how low do I have to have my blood sugar before you let me come off this medication? Your doctor tells you, and then you work towards getting to that level. Or maybe your doctor wants you to go on a medication that you don't want to be on. And you can, and maybe they say, I'll give you 3 months to get your blood sugar down, and then I'm going to have you go on metformin. Nothing wrong with metformin, but let's say you don't want to. You actually have a tool that helps you get there. And rather than relying on your partner to take care of this for you and to tell you what to eat, this gives you a tool, gives you some control, and no one else has to tell you what to do. So if you are the type to like to fix things on your own and not have people tell you what to do, give me a call. I'll tell you what to do once or twice, and then I can teach you how to do it on your own so that you can fix this once and for all.